list 1 and list 2 we have hours studied in list 1, and in list 2 we have the grade received on a corresponding test. Let's review what we did yesterday, which is the following. We want to make sure that it's a linear regression, if it is or it isn't. So what we can do is this: hit Stat, Calc, and then go down to number 4, linreg AX plus B, and then hit L1, comma, L2, and let's put that in bars, right arrow, enter, enter, Y1. And when we run that, we come back with a coefficient of 16.7, a constant of negative 33.8. More importantly, though, we have a 0.92 for a coefficient of determination, which is R squared, and a 0.96, which is the correlation coefficient. Now that's a pretty strong relationship there between L1 and L2. Yeah.
I don't have the R's.
The reason you don't have the R's is because you have to go to second 0 and then hit the X to the -1 button and arrow down the diagnostic on, and that will turn diagnostics on for you. That allows the R's to show up. Okay, now, I would say if you were going to make a bet and you had a 92% chance of being right, that you would be happy with this formula. There is another way you can go about it to test for something else, and we'll do that in just a second after we practice the graph. So hit Y equals and make sure you only have something in Y1. And of course I only have something in Y1. Next, you're going to go to second Y equals, stat plot number 1, and it is on, and I have chosen the dot. There, the scatter plot function. X list is 1, Y list is 2, and I'm using the donuts there, the first icon, to graph. Yeah?
I don't have anything in my Y1.
Because you didn't put comma Y1 in. And what we can do now with all this in place is to hit zoom 9, and it will put the dots on the screen and draw a best fit line. Now take a look at this. You have a difference here, a difference here. The distance between these donuts and the best fit line is going to be your residuals. These distances have been put into L1 automatically. So what you can do, or not L1, they've been put into the residual list automatically. So hit second, stat, and you'll see the resid list there. Hit enter, and you can see they've already been put in there, and they change each time you put in a regression. Yeah.
My calculator is trying to do that.
I can't hear you.
My calculator did something weird. The graph is like this instead of all the way.
Did you hit zoom 9?
Yeah.
Do you have all of these in here like this?
Yeah.
You have Y1 in there? Okay, hit stop.